and welcome to Bethel Public School. Hope you all are fine and safe. So today we will be reading and understanding the lesson for class 3. That is, subject is English and the lesson's name is Unit number 1, Jumbo of Cricket, that is Anil Kumble. Okay. So children, when you hear the name Anil Kumble, what do you first get the idea of? What is the first thing that comes to your mind? He is the person associated with the cricket, okay, with the Indian cricket, isn't it? Okay, so Jumbo means a great person, a big person in the Indian cricket who has achieved name and fame. So today we will be reading about this person, about this man, okay, what he has achieved and how did he begin his career in the Indian cricket. So the page number is 1, unit is 1 and the lesson's name is Jumbo of Indian Cricket, Anil Kumble, okay. So we will be reading out this and you will be able to understand what it is, life biography. Pre-reading activities. Ask the children if they play any games and what games they like to play. Okay. So you might have known that everybody likes to play games, isn't it? All are interested or respective to their age and everything, isn't it? So whatever may be the age of that person, the person will be interested to play games. Also ask them if they have played Kabaddi. So we all are familiar with the game called Kabaddi, isn't it? So what is this game like? Okay, they have asked you few questions there. Is Kabaddi a team game? How many players are there in each team? What does Kabaddi mean? What is the duration of a Kabaddi game? Do women also play this game? What is Hututu and Hadudu? Listening passage before reading of prose lesson on Kumble. So here they have asked you certain questions and afterwards they have given you the passage about the Kabaddi. What do you mean by Kabaddi? Kabaddi is a team game. Two teams with 7 players each occupy opposite halves of a field. So suppose this is a field, okay. So we have 7 players here and 7 players here. They divide the field and half of the players, that is 7 players, are here and 7 players are here in this opposite side. The first team sends a member known as the raider to the other half of the field to attack. So from here, one person will go to this team. He is called the raider. He goes and attacks those people playing. This person has to keep saying Kabaddi, Kabaddi all the time, holding the breath and try to win points for his team by touching or pulling members of the opposite team and getting them out. So what this person will do? He will go to this team and he should be saying the words Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Okay. So what he has to do? He should at least touch one person and come back, or he should pull a person and come back to his team. Okay. So that is, they will win the points. This team will win the point. The team on the other side tries to form a chain and catch the raider to get a point for their team. So the other people, how they can defend? They can hold this person by not sending him to their side. Okay. So when all the 7 people, they form a chain and they encircle this person who has come as a raider, okay, they will get the point for their team if they are successful in not sending the person back to their team. They try to stop the raider from going to the home side before taking a breath. This is a very exciting game. Kabaddi is derived from a Hindi and Punjabi word meaning holding the breath. In the Western India, the game is known as Hututu. In Eastern India, it is also known as Hadudu. Okay. The game is played for 40 minutes with a 5-minute half-time break. both men and women play this game. So in the Western India, it is called as Hututu. Okay. Whereas in the Eastern India, it is called as Hadudu. Okay. So this game is played for 40 minutes and there is a 5-minute break, and everybody is very excited to play this game, and both men and women also play this game. Now get the answers to the questions orally. After the students have answered, ask them, now how many of you play cricket? Have you heard of Anil Kumble? He has created history by taking all the 10 wickets in an innings. He is a living legend. So what do you mean by a living legend? That is, living legend is a person who has achieved great fame, great success. He has reached to great success and he is still living. He has not died. So that person is called a living legend. Now we will see how he has attained to that height of success. Jumbo of Indian cricket, Anil Kumble. Anil Kumble was born on October 17, 1970. So when he was born, October 70 in the year 1970. And which place it is? In Bengaluru. In our city only, that is Bengaluru. He began playing cricket in the streets of Basavangudi in Bengaluru. Later, he joined the Young Cricketers Club. He started playing first class cricket in the year 1989. He is also a qualified mechanical engineer. So, simultaneously he is a cricketer also and he has done his mechanical engineering. He is a mechanical engineer. Anil began playing test matches in 1990. In the match against England, he took 3 wickets in 43 overs with 7 maiden overs. He has taken 619 test wickets, the third largest in the test history. So people who are familiar with cricket, they will all know these terms, right? Okay, in 1999, Kumble set a new record by taking all 10 wickets in single innings while playing against Pakistan. So, he has set a new record of taking all 10 wickets in a single innings while playing against Pakistan. Okay. He is the first Indian cricketer to achieve this. He has been honored with the Arjuna Award and the Padma Shri by the Government of India. So he has got the 2 greatest honorable awards, that is Arjuna Award and the Padma Shri Award. The government of Karnataka has honored him by naming a roundabout in Bengaluru as the Anil Kumble Circle. So you might have seen in the road that they will keep a like a plate, stone plate, that the name is written as Anil Kumble Circle. So the government of Karnataka has named this road on his name. Okay. Anil Kumble served as a captain of the Indian Test team before he retired. He lives in Bengaluru with his wife Chetana and their 3 children. So what do you mean by that? Served as a captain before he retired. Retirement is a like a stoppage for the person given after some years. If he has attended some year, so he has been retiring from his work. So he gets a pause from his work and he gets an award also for that work. So that is called retirement. And now he lives in Bengaluru with his wife Chetana and their 3 children. So there below that only they have given you the new words, that is the first class cricket. What do you mean by that? In simple words, it's mean a match played between 2 states or 2 countries. And roundabout is a place where 2 or more roads meet a central points. So two or more meeting at a central road point is called a roundabout. So that is named after Anil Kumble. So he was a living legend and he has served very well in the Indian cricket. Okay, and he has earned such a name and fame for himself and for the whole of India. Okay children, hope you all have understood this lesson. Okay, read it once at your home and thanks for joining.